Have you ever needed to replay a YouTube video over and over again? Maybe to learn a tutorial step, practice a song, or just loop your favorite track, but you actually didn't know that YouTube has a built-in repeat video function? In today's video, I'll show you where the feature is, how to use it, and a couple of quick tips to make looping videos even easier. Let's get started. Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Steph, and in this channel, I teach you quick daily tech tips that make your life a little easier. On your desktop, it's very easy to do it. On any video that you are watching, simply right-click on the video and a pop-up menu will appear. Select loop and the video will go on a repeat loop. On your mobile phone, go to your YouTube app, tap on the video and tap on the gear icon on the top right. Tap on more. Toggle the option on for loop video. There you go. If you found today's video useful, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful videos like this. Until the next video, I'm Steph, take care and bye bye.